Good morning. Remember, every morning is new opportunity to chase your dream and conquer your goals. Find new things, new ideas and new beginning is most important in your daily life. Whatever you thought, your day will likely gone according to your thoughts. Today, I will share the 5 important lessons learned from river. River meaning continuous flow of water. But what river teaches us? Number 1. Follow of life. Rivers symbolize the natural follow of life, remaining us to embrace change and find harmony in the rhythms of existence, like the poem written by a poet. And second is resilience. River demonstrate the ability to adapt and overcome obstacles, teaching us the importance of persistence in the face of challenge, teaching us importance of conservation and sustainability of nature and its consuming things. But what the real one we teach and apply in our life in the course of river. Third one is interconnectedness. River connected diverse ecosystem, communities and culture, highlighting an interdependent of all living things and importance of collaboration. It doesn't mean quality of living or belonging. Selflessly river provide and giving service to its creature and